A lot of people do not know that they can charge their ITel Power Go at 100 watts with the grid power. And here in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to recharge your ITel Power Go to 100% from 0 to 100% in 3 hours 15 minutes. And do not be deceived by the 65 watts they put in your standard ITel Power Go box. It's not good enough. I'm almost say throw it away, but like dump it. Find yourself better chargers. GaN chargers are the best. Get from quality brands like Anker, Essager, 2Key. Get GaN chargers and have it terminated into adapters like this. I will link these adapters in the description. It will help you, and also get a 240 watts cable, a very high quality one. I'm using a Baseus cable, and then you can plug it in. You can see this is a 65 watts GaN charger. You can see it's charging at 72 watts right now from this brand new Essager 65 watt charger. And then you connect another charger, 100 watts, with a 240 watts Baseus cable into the 100 watts input of the second input. You can see it. You can see how it's charging now, dual charging. This particular power station, or a DC power station, both the regular ITel Power Go and the brand new ITel Power Go Pro supports dual charge input of 100 watts. And when I mean 100 watts, one of the chargers will be giving 50 watts to each input, whether it's the DC input or the USB-C input. So it will take 50 watts shared. So these are the things that people do not know that their ITel Power Go can do. And I'm now breaking down. And funny enough, I've gone through several videos, whether it's on TikTok, Instagram. So many people don't even mention that the ITel Power Go can recharge in dual mode and recharge extremely quickly, and also preserve your charger from damage. Because I see people saying that, oh my goodness, my charger has spoiled. My charger is no longer good. That is because you are not charging the ITel Power Go correctly. You are using an inferior charger that the company gave you, and you think you are giving the power station the right energy it needs. These power banks demand high voltage, and when I mean high voltage, but like they demand high amp that is consistent and high voltage that is consistent. If they want 20 amps, they want it at 20 amps. Sorry, not 20 amps, but at 20 volts, at 20 volts at 5 amps, because that's the rating, the specified rating. It's not 20 amps, but I mean 20 volts. So you need 20 volts that is consistent, and you need 5 amps. That is why they give you the option of dual charging. So once you're able to do dual charging here, you will easily recharge this power station from 0 to 100% in around 4 hours. Now, funny enough, they have started advertising this in their new ITel Power Go Pro model. They have started saying, oh, you can actually recharge it with 100 watts charger to 100%. Whereas people don't realize that the charger that they are adding now in the Pro version is something they should have added in the regular variant, because the new charger they're adding in the Pro version is 100 watts. It's a DC 100 watts charger. So it's all a way or a ploy to get you to pay more money, because I can see the new ITel Power Go is 45,000 naira more expensive in my country than the normal variant, the normal ITel Power Go. And that 45,000, I think it's mostly because of the 100 watts charger they're adding for you, as opposed to the 65 watt charger that the standard variant is coming with. It's because there is no more accessory difference between the two. So all you need to know is that the company is charging you more because of the charger and the 200 watts output and the little inverter inside of the unit. That's just the reason why they're charging you nearly 50% increase in price over the regular standard variant. So you need to know all these things before you head out to buy the Pro version, because the Pro version doesn't really have much of a big difference over the regular standard ITel Power Go. They're almost the same. Just get a 240 watt cable with a very quality charger, and you can dual charge, and you can recharge your regular ITel Power Go back to 100% very, very quickly. This is what I recommend for you guys. And if you've enjoyed this video, share your thoughts down below, subscribe. I'll see you guys very much next time.